Om Swastiastu. My name is Kade Ardanayase. I will read the material about laundry. Element 1. Identify the role of a valet. Describe the service delivered by a valet. Introduction. The unit applies to all establishments where specialist valet or butler service are conducted. The section in the TVs, the tax at valet undertakers. The job of the valet. A valet, sometimes also known as a butler, is employed by a hotel to provide a personalized and specialist service to guests for the duration of their stay. They add degree of service, class and style many people associate with indulgence and opulence. Valet service are not common. Certainly, not all establishments provide valet service and the position might not exist in some countries. Many hotels will only supply a valet parking service. However, international guests may have very high level of expectation in relation to the service provided by valet. Especially, especially American and Japanese guests, many expect the same level of service provided by other upmarket hotels around the world. The many rules of a valet. Many regard the valet as providing a combination of rules each with its own demanding level of personalist and individualist service. The various rules include housekeeper performing a range of service normally provided by room attendant in others room. Confident, being a trusted person whom the guest can confide in when they need to talk or share an idea, experience, or opinion. Guide, informing the guest of what is available both within and outside the venue. When is when it is available, how to get there and how to obtain entry, ticket, preferential treatment. Concert. Will all valets work together with the concert? In a venue, many valets often take the role of concert for the guests they are looking after. Organizer. Organizing activities include reservation, ticket to show, entry to event, meeting with people, daily schedules on behalf of and under the direction of the guest. Supervisor, overseeing the work of other people, venue employees and outside work who provide product and service to the guest. Guest relation. Ensure the guest has a pleasant stay in the view, ensuring their explain are met and dealing with any problems that arise during the stay. It is true, a valet may be all this and more. Actually, what a valet is or the service they provide depend greatly on the needs of the individual guest. There is a special relationship between the valet and the concierge, especially the nature of the working relation between them that demands instant response to guest need, quick supply of information, and general professional support. The valet must be able to respond immediately and appropriately to the needs of individual guests who might all have within diverse demand. It is definitely a challenging position, but without doubt an extremely rewarding one. The role of valet would generally be undertaken by experienced staff members or the people with sound organizational and interpersonal skill. Depending on the organizational structure of the venue, valet might be located in housekeeping, front office, or another appropriate department such as finance of sales and marketing. The valet is always a front of house member of staff. They are not back of house staff who work behind the second. A guest contact staff member as opposed to a manager of administration officer, a service provider. Will they perform some listen and supervision? That is their primary role is one of service profession. The main duties of valet refer to the service they provide to their guests. The position description for valet at your venue will provide a good starting point regarding what they are expected to do. The nature and extent of this service will vary between guests, with some guests demanding con- constant attention and others requiring little in the way of valet service. Service can include, but are not limited to, professionally and confidentially communicating with the guest and on behalf of the guest, unpacking and storing guest luggage, preparing guest clothes and footwear ready for use, like pressing of garments as required or requested, packing guest luggage for their departure, cleaning and polishing shoes as required or requested, repairing or organizing the repair of clothes and other guest belong. Providing assistance is relation to organization of guest need and requests, including wake up calls, newspaper, coffee, and tea. Monitoring the provision of establishment service to the guests, both in room and throughout the venue. This might include arranging and supervising the provision or of room service for meals, snack, parties, and drink. Organization and implementation of function for the guests in their room or in a function room at the venue. Preparing room before guests arrive by providing various items such as fruit bowls, complimentary gifts, bed rubbers, chocolate of flowers. Looking after guest laundry and dry cleaning needs on a owing basis for the duration of their stay. Organizing and processing secretarial duties upon request, such as message, fax, package, translation, postage, and use of the business facilities and at the property. Arrange restaurant booking, car hire, tours, space purchase of gift or other item. Organizing activities to meet guest needs, such as arranging special function in the venue, booking local excursion and tour, and making reservation for the T3 slow dining and special event. Profession or local advice they concert function including recommendation for dining and shopping, suggestion for transport and sightseeing, option for tourism and leisure activities, acquisition of personal service, making, altering, or confirming travel arrangements. Investigate background information and knowledge about guest preference and previous history with the establishment. Take action the ensure promise made to the guests are met when the guests arrive. On the guest departure, the valet must record and process guest change and account for billing and payment. Assist the maintenance of guest history will to provide relevant and up-to-date information about the guest or VIP. The brief with management to identify lesson learned, determine changes needed to be made to SOP and with her or not management needs to contact the guest to make an apologies. Om Santi 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 Om.